Welcome back to eGadget, where we explore innovative devices that bring modern convenience to your daily life. In today's video, we are reviewing a smart and stylish addition to your kitchen, the DeLonghi Eletta Explore fully automatic espresso machine with cold brew. This is not just an espresso machine, it is a complete coffee solution that lets you create both hot and cold drinks effortlessly at home. If you love lattes, iced cappuccinos, cold brew, or creamy espressos, this machine offers it all at the press of a button. The DeLonghi Eletta Explore stands out for its ability to craft more than 50 different hot and cold recipes. It is the only fully automatic espresso machine equipped with both hot and cold foam technology, along with a built-in cold extraction system. This means you can make your favorite drinks like hot lattes, iced lattes, cappuccinos, and cold brew without needing separate appliances. It is sleek, modern, and designed to simplify your coffee experience while elevating the quality of each cup. What makes the Eletta Explore incredibly appealing is its wide range of options. With just one touch, you can make over 50 recipes, including espresso, cappuccino, latte, iced cappuccino, cold brew, and more. Whether you prefer hot drinks or cold refreshers, this machine has you covered. You can also personalize your drinks by adjusting the strength, temperature, milk ratio, and quantity. The machine even allows up to 4 user profiles, so everyone in the house can have their drinks just the way they like them. Another standout feature is the built-in conical burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings. This grinder allows you to use any beans of your choice and ensures they are freshly ground with precision. The Eletta Explore takes care of everything from grinding to dosing, tamping, and brewing. Each cup comes out balanced, flavorful, and rich. Whether you are a fan of strong espressos or smooth milk-based drinks, the consistency and quality remain impressive with every use. One of the most impressive innovations in this machine is the latte crema system. For hot drinks, the latte crema hot system delivers perfectly textured milk or plant-based alternatives. For cold beverages, the latte crema cool system creates silky milk foam that feels refreshing and luxurious. This makes your iced lattes and cappuccinos not only look great, but taste professional too. You get cafe-style drinks at home with no guesswork involved. A unique feature that sets the Eletta Explore apart is its ability to make cold brew coffee in less than 3 minutes. Thanks to DeLonghi's proprietary cold extraction technology, the machine uses precise water flow, pressure, and temperature to deliver a smooth, naturally sweet cold brew in record time. No need to wait for hours or plan ahead. With this machine, your cold brew is ready when you want it. Operating the machine is very simple due to the full-color 3.5-inch TFT display and soft-touch icons. The menu is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can quickly scroll through recipes and adjust settings without confusion. For first-time users, the Eletta Explore offers a guided experience, including visual instructions and a recipe photo guidebook that inspires you to try new drinks. Cleaning this machine is not a hassle. It includes an auto-clean function and has detachable components that are dishwasher safe. The system automatically rinses before and after every use to keep everything fresh and hygienic. Maintenance is minimal, which makes it a great choice for anyone who wants a high-performance machine without the extra workload. Let's look at what actual users are saying. One reviewer described it as love at first taste and called it the best espresso machine they have ever owned. They were amazed by the creamy texture and consistent quality of the coffee, stating that it even outperforms coffee shops. They also appreciated the dual milk frothers, the easy setup, and the ability to customize cup sizes up to 16 ounces. Another user humorously commented that her husband likes the Eletta more than his own family. These reactions highlight just how much of a difference this machine can make in your daily coffee ritual. The DeLonghi Eletta Explore is a premium espresso machine that delivers professional-grade hot and cold beverages at home with ease. with advanced features like dual foam technology, cold brew extraction, intelligent bean adaptation, and a user-friendly interface. This machine is built for serious coffee lovers. Whether you are an espresso purist or someone who enjoys a wide variety of beverages, this machine offers performance, customization, and elegance in one complete package. Thanks for watching this review on eGadget. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of the latest home tech and gadgets. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the DeLonghi Eletta Explore, or if you want us to compare it with other machines. Until next time, enjoy your perfect cup of coffee and keep discovering smarter ways to live better.